When you think of insulation, what do you think of? That itchy pink stuff that you put in your walls? How about a paint additive designed by NASA? Come on, follow me. Insulad, the new insulation of the future, today. Insulad is a unique blend of ceramic microspheres designed to be mixed into ordinary house paints and reduce heat gain, heat absorption, and heat loss in your home. Insulad will greatly reduce heat loss, heat gain, by decreasing the amount of heat that's absorbed into your walls, ceilings, and roof of your home. Insulad has been in use for over a decade. It's sold all over the world. It's contractor tested and homeowner approved. It's completely safe and it's very easy to use. Watch. You simply mix a pouch of Insulad and a gallon of paint. Mix thoroughly and apply to your home's walls or ceilings in the normal manner. We recommend natural bristle brushes over nylon because the natural performs better. When using a roller on smooth walls, use a fine snap roller to avoid leaving roller marks on the painted surface. Most people own or rent paint sprayers, and most are perfectly suited for use by the homeowner. When spray painting with Insulad, make sure you use a larger than normal spray tip. Therefore, you'll be able to cover more surface evenly, and you'll be providing more insulation to your home. Insulad can reduce unwanted heat loss and heat gain into your home, and has proven to be able to save homeowners more than 20% off their normal heating and cooling costs. All the materials that are used in the construction of your home or business absorb and transfer heat. Insulad greatly reduces heat gain in the summer months by keeping out the heat through the ceilings, the walls, and the roof. Now in the winter months, Insulad prevents heat loss by doing the same. Year by year, Insulad works for you. You'll notice the improvements in your home by the drastic changes of the heating and cooling bills. Insulad helps block out 80% of the heat. Heat always flows from the warmer side to the cooler side. And one of the ways is radiation. Any object will radiate heat to cooler objects around it by giving off heat waves. This is a direct transfer of heat from one object to another without heating the air in between. This is the same process in which the earth receives heat from the sun, or a wood stove supplies heat to its surroundings. Insulad effectively reflects this radiant. Home insulating is commonly available in three types: rolled fiberglass with a paper, or foil backing, foam sheets, or panels, and loose blown in place home insulation. All of these are resistant types of insulation since they resist the passage of heat. Insulad insulating paints and insulating paint additives provide homeowners with a fourth method of insulating their homes, which is by creating a radiant barrier in the paint and reflecting the heat, and thus substantially reducing the amount of heat trying to enter or exit your home. Insulad will not only save energy, it will also reduce mildew from condensation. Mold spreads like any other living organism. It reproduces and grows in moist and damp areas. Where there's moisture, and there's almost bound to be mold and mildew. Insulad insulating house paints and insulating additives for paint have proven to reduce moisture formation on walls and ceilings. Insulating coatings have been available commercially for well over a decade. Until recently, they haven't been available to the general public. Many factors are for this. Shipping costs and also brand loyalties have kept manufacturers from venturing into the residential and retail markets until now. Insulating roof and wall coatings, such as Insulad paint additive, have been used by paint contractors on major facilities all across the country. Now, the list of firms that use these products to keep 40% of their heating and cooling costs down are firms such as IBM, Martin Marietta, the United States Air Force, and the Ford Motor Company. The introduction of Insulad to the general public is due to the research done by Tech Traders Inc. through the NASA Technology Exchange Program in 1996. The Insulad technology used is similar to that used to dissipate heat from the space shuttles and other space vehicles upon atmospheric re-entry. I'd like to show you a couple demonstrations just to show you how strong this product really is. I've got two pieces of sheet metal here. One is just plain sheet metal. The other one has a ring of Insulad around it. I'm going to heat both products up and I'll show you the difference. Now I'm heating up the plain sheet metal. And without the Insulad, I'll show you how long you can actually hold it before it gets hot. Now I'll be heating up the sheet metal with the ring of Insulad around it. As you can see, the end of this sheet metal is glowing red hot. But with the protective coat of Insulad around the middle, the other end's cool to the touch. Hopefully that demonstration showed you how well Insulad helps prevent heat transfer. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope we've been informative,